Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me guide. In this video, I am gonna tell you guys how to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. So, first of all guys, getting to your Instagram application and then click on your profile over here and then choose the post you want and then click on the three lines at the top right corner and tab on edit from over here. And now beneath the add location, we are supposed to find add collaboration is something similar to that. But if you did not find it all you guys need to do is to go back and click on the plus button and then make sure to add the post with the same picture of your last post that you wanted to add a collaboration on. And then from over here you can find the collaboration option in two places. The first place is where you click on advanced setting from over here. You will find it right here. If you did not find it, just go back and tab on tag people, and as you can see we have invite collaboration from over here. You can click on it and now you can add collaboration to your Instagram post, and you just need for your collaboration to accept your collaboration, and that's pretty much. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. That would be much appreciated, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching.